Hi guys, this is a Sterling Padlock 40mm. This is the key for it. Just 4 standard pins. Show you the lock working. Something slightly unusual about this is the when you close it, there's 2 clicks. Don't recall seeing that before. It might be just some extra bit of security to stop you bypassing the lock or something. Not sure. Okay, I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension and as usual a shallow hook. It's light tension for this. Pin 4, in 1 and 2, pin 3. It's an excellent lock this for if you're just starting out, so really predictable and only 4 pins. I'd recommend that for any beginner who's looking to single pin pick a lock. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time.